Welcome to the BKR chemistry classes. Today let us see how to arrive at the Woodward-Hoffmann rule based on perturbation molecular orbital method for electrocyclic reaction. This method was given by Dewar. It is a method which is far more simpler than that of the frontier molecular orbital method. So let us see how to proceed with this particular method. இது எப்படி பண்ணலாம்னு பார்க்கலாம். So இதுல நம்ம ரெண்டு கான்செப்ட் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். ஹக்கல் aromaticity concept, இன்னொன்னு Mobius aromaticity concept. Then key points ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. ஹக்கல்ல you'll be having 0 node. In Mobius you'll be having 1 node. அப்படி என்ன அர்த்தம்னா Mobiusல you'll be having an extra node. அது எப்படி உருவாகுதுன்னா by twisting the set of orbitals so that each orbital forms an angle theta with its neighbor. So ஒரு பெண்ட் இருக்கும். ஸோ ஆர்பிட்டால ஒரு பெண்ட் இருக்கும். ஸோ யூல் பி ஹேவிங் ஆர்பிட்டால்ஸ் வித் அ ஸ்லைட் பெண்டிங். ஸோ ஒரு ஆங்கிள் ஃபார்ம் பண்ணும். யூல் பி ஹேவிங் ஆங்கிள் தீட்டா. ஸோ இப்போ ஹக்கல்ல 0 நோடு இருக்கணும், மாபியஸ்ல 1 நோடு இருக்கணும். ஹக்கல்ல foreign system is anti-aromatic, but Mobiusல foreign system that is with 1 node will be aromatic. அடுத்த பாயிண்ட், ஹக்கல்ல 4n plus 2 system will be aromatic, whereas Mobius 4n plus 2 system will be anti-aromatic. In the point, key points மட்டும் நல்லா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. சரியா? ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நீங்க என்ன பாக்குறீங்க, ஒரு நோடு உருவாகுதா இல்லையா பாக்குறீங்க. ஸோ 0 நோட்ஸ்னா ஹக்கல் சிஸ்டம். அப்ப 0 நோடா இருக்கு, 4n சிஸ்டமா இருக்குன்னா அது ஆன்டி அரோமேட்டிக்கா இருக்கு. 0 நோடா இருக்கு, 4n plus 2 பை எலக்ட்ரான்ஸ் இருக்குன்னா அது அரோமேட்டிக்கா இருக்கு. நோட் 1 நோட் ஃபார்ம் ஆயிடுச்சு, அப்போ 4n எலக்ட்ரான்ஸ் delocalization இருக்குன்னா அது aromatic. 4n plus 2 electrons delocalize ஆகுதுன்னா அது anti-aromatic. Okay, so we are talking about 4n system or 4n plus 2 system, that is 4n or 4n plus 2 system, whereas these many electrons, these many pi electrons are delocalizing. There is delocalization. Okay? Okay, இப்போ அடுத்த பாயிண்ட். ஓவராலா என்ன பாயிண்ட்னா, suppose you have aromatic இருக்கு சிஸ்டம். அது ஹக்கலா இருந்தாலும் சரி, மாபியஸ் இருந்தாலும் சரி, அரோமேட்டிக்கா இருந்துச்சுன்னா thermally allowed. ஓகேவா? அதே இது அது ஆன்டி அரோமேட்டிக்கா உருவாகுது, இட் இஸ் ஆன்டி அரோமேட்டிக், அப்ப அது photochemically allowed. That's all, very simple. ஓகே, ஸோ ஹக்கல்ல 0 நோட்ஸ்ல உங்களுக்கு அரோமேட்டிக்கா வருதுன்னா அது thermally allowed. அதே ஹக்கல்ல 4n system வந்துச்சுன்னா அது ஆன்டி அரோமேட்டிக். So now these are the key points to remember. இதை நல்லா மண்டல ஏத்திக்கோங்க. ஓகேவா? Okay, next let us see for the electrocyclic reaction. So let me take the cyclization of 1,3 butadiene to cyclobutene. As I told you, approach is applicable both for forward reaction and the backward reaction. ரெண்டுக்குமே applicable இருக்கும். Okay, so நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். So 4n system எடுத்துக்கிட்டோம். So this is an 4n system. Okay, so we have forward reaction, reverse reaction. So now let us consider 1,3 butadiene. Okay, so let us draw the orbital picture for this. Done. Okay, so give the shading for the orbitals. Done. Okay, now connect the orbitals. So these are the pi bonded orbitals. So these are the pi bonds. ரெண்டு pi bond connected இருக்கு. இப்போ என்ன பண்ண போறோம்னா, we are going to go for dis rotation and con rotation. Very simple. Okay, dis and con rotation. So dis rotation என்ன ஆகும்? So first draw the orbitals. So you'll be having this rotation. So this orbital will go inside. This will also go inside. So this is your dis, opposite direction. So slight and the orbitals will be bending inside. Inge enna agudhu, it is bending inside. Okay, and these orbitals will retain it like this. Okay, now do the shading. So this is the transition state for the dis rotation. Now connect the orbitals. So they are perfectly overlapping. So there is 0 node. There is 0 node. So it comes under Huckel system. Huckel system வந்துருமா? 0 நோட்னா Huckel system வந்துருமா? Huckel systemல இது என்ன ஆயிரும்? Huckel system li then anti-aromatic iron. Okay, so it will be photochemically allowed. Aromatic and thermally allowed, anti-aromatic na photochemically allowed. So in a zero node vardu ana zero node and it is a 4n system. 4n system with zero node. Zero node nale Huckel system. Alle 4n pi electrons. Okay, so it's anti-aromatic. So zero node na Huckel system. Huckel system na 4 electrons, it is anti-aromatic. Therefore it is anti-aromatic, it is photochemically allowed. Okay, Kohn rotation. So Kohn rotation orbitals, they will move towards the same direction. Okay, now do the shading. Now the overlap will be like this. So this is overlapping. This is overlapping. Since this will overlap and this will be over. These will overlap. This will overlap here. This will overlap here and this will overlap here. So you can see that this orbital is overlapping with this orbital. Okay. So there is one node created here. So when you have one node, it becomes a Mobius system. It becomes a Mobius system. So Mobius system with 4n, it is aromatic. Aromatic. And we know that if it is aromatic, it is thermally allowed. Okay. See how beautifully we have brought in the perturbation method to analyze the Woodward-Hoffmann rule. So based on the transition state, we clearly find that there is one node created here. So one node because idella mela interact agade ingemote enagade mela interact agame idu keela interact agade. So you create a node, you create a theta angle with the neighboring orbitals. Okay, so it becomes a Mobius system. 4n la Mobius la 4n la aromatic arco, so thermally allowed. So நம்ம என்ன பார்த்துட்டோம் 4n system disrotation என்ன கண்டிஷன்ல photochemical Kohn rotation in the condition thermal condition. Similarly, let us see for the 4n plus 2 system. Okay. So this is your 4n plus 2 system. So this I can write the orbitals like this. So these are the orbitals. Okay. Do the shading. So once the shading is done, you know now these are the orbitals. Okay. Now you can connect the orbitals. So the 3 pi bonds are conjugated with each other. So we have connected it. And now go for dis and Kohn rotation. So dis rotation and Kohn rotation. Okay. So let us draw it once again. So dis rotation, you will be having opposite direction. So the frontier orbitals will be overlapping. Okay. Shade them. Once done, then you connect them. So you have zero nodes. Zero nodes. Zero nodes means it is in a system Huckel system. If pi electrons are 4n plus 2 pi electrons are it will be an aromatic system. Aromatic na thermally allowed. So this rotation is thermally allowed for 4n plus 2 system. So this is your 4n plus 2 system. The previous case we had taken the 4n system. Now do the Kohn rotation. Again draw the orbitals. So this means you will be having the orbitals moving towards the same direction. Now do the shading. Done? Yes. Now connect them. You can see that here again I have in this case I have a node formation. So I have one node formation. So since I have one node, it goes to the Mobius system. It will be the Mobius system. Yes. So node on the Mobius system. In next video, I'll teach you how to solve those electrocyclic reaction problems which were asked in CSR and GATE exams. Keep watching, keep learning. Thank you. Mobius system எத்தனை electrons இருக்கு 4n plus 2 electron இருக்கு. Mobiusல 4n plus 2 என்ன ஆயிரும் anti aromatic மாறிடும். Anti aromatic எப்பவும் எப்படி இருக்கும் photochemically allowed. So for 4n plus 2 system under Con rotation you'll be requiring the photochemical condition. So 4n plus 2 this con. For this I have thermal condition. For con I have photochemical condition. Okay. Now we will try to concise what we have arrived. So for 4n system thermal condition la con. Thermal condition la con. Photochemical condition like this. Photochemical condition like this. Adhe 4n plus 2 ka thermal la this. Thermal la this. Photochemical la con. So we have clearly arrived again the same rule using perturbation molecular orbital method. See, very simple, is it not? So two things you should keep in mind is, the one thing is that 4n system, 4n plus 2 system we are taking. So 4n system, zero node. Zero node now, it will be coming under Huckel. One node. If it is one node, it will be Mobius. So Huckel is 0 4n system now it will be anti-aromatic. 4n plus 2 will be aromatic. Mobius la 4n will be aromatic and 4n plus 2 will be anti-aromatic. Okay. And whatever be the condition, aromatic means it is thermally allowed, anti-aromatic means it is photochemically allowed. So this key point you need to understand before proceeding for the perturbation of molecular orbital method.